We recently found a solution to the issue where Cosmos disappears right after flashing on the screen. The Cosmos browser was not opening due to a display issue caused by multiple monitors or very high screen resolutions. To fix this, start by unplugging all external monitors so only your main screen is active. Close 3ds Max completely. After that, right-click on your desktop and open Display Settings. When the Display Settings window opens, check if you see a section called Multiple Displays. If yes, uncheck the option that says Remember Windows Locations based on monitor connection. Then, lower your main monitor resolution to something like 1280 by 720. After that, open 3ds Max again and launch the Cosmos browser. It will open but appear collapsed on the screen, so simply expand it with your mouse and try exporting any model to confirm it works. Once the model exports successfully, restore your screen resolution back to normal and restart 3ds Max. The issue should now be fully resolved and the Cosmos browser will open normally.